Arts Workfly.
This is just a snippet of one of my online classes. In order to help the student as best as possible, we use the grid. So that is the student using the grid and doing the outlines.
Alright, take a picture of it so I can see where you're at and how it's going so far.
We also use the phone to take pictures to get better views. This is another way that I help the students to make corrections online by doing small drawings to show them where they should make corrections. This is the final piece, and any further adjustments can be made by the teacher physically. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.